So we've taken a look at list view and detail view, but there's one more trick to styling your app I want to show you, and that is when you want to show one record only. Now, this is really good for when you want to set up a profile page for your users, but there's a bunch of different use cases. So I'm going to show you how to use it right now. Here. I've set this app up so there is a stacker table called users that is my user table. If you don't know what that means, I'll explain it in the user tables video. I've populated it with a bit of information about the people who work at our company, and set up a simple list view to show their lovely faces. And if you click on any of these, you'd be able to see their full profile. But what we want to create in this tutorial is a way for users to just see their profile when they log in. To do that, I'm going to create a duplicate layout. I'm going to set the display for this layout to be one record only. Right now, this is just showing the first item in our database. But what we want to do is make it show the current logged in user. And we're going to achieve that with a filter. Now, when you first set this up, you might be surprised to see that there is a form here rather than a person's information. And this is because you're not actually logged in as a user right now. So let's try previewing as different people. Here, I'm previewing the app as John Smith, and you can see John Smith's information. But if I change user, I'll see completely different information. And that just means that now your users can either see information about themselves or a list of everyone in their company. Now, for the purposes of this video, I've just used filters, but you'd probably want to set up permissions as well so people can only edit their own information rather than editing all of their colleagues as well. But we're going to cover that in a different video.